That's the camera, and that's your beak. Okay, don't hurt the camera. No hurting the camera. Oscar, you stop running around so fast. Come here, Oscar. Come here, come on. Come here. That's a good boy. Come here. You getting sleepy? Come here. Yeah, you're getting sleepy. Yeah. Grinding the beak. Where are you going? Hmm? Come here, Oscar. Come here, Oscar. Come on. Come on. Come here and give me a kiss. Come here. Come here. Come here and give me a kiss. Come on. Come on. That's a good boy. Aw. You just want the strap from the camera. Smarty pants. You just wanted the strap.